In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this AI trending image for free. Open your browser and search for Bing AI image. Click on this site. Then click on Join and Create and sign in with personal account. You need to log in with Microsoft account. If you don't have your account, to click on Create One and click on Next. These are the more templates, you can use them. Click on Search and type prompt here to generate your specific image. I want to type this: a kid with big blue eyes wearing red and black hoodie in the street, light in the background. Click on Create to generate your image. Click on any one image to preview. If you like image, you can download from here. Thanks for watching this video.